Hey guys, Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? This is Swispy review and a little demo and tutorial. And what is Swispy? Swispy is a 2-minute mobile app creator. It's actually pretty cool. It makes mobile apps, and you're like, why do you want to make mobile apps? Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to go through it. We're going to go through the demo video. We're going to go through the sales page. We're going to tell you what the price of it is. It is a one-time fee right now, so you want to get it. If you're on this page, get it now before it goes up to a monthly cost. We're going to go through the upgrades in it, and then we're going to talk about the strategy of using it. How would you use Swispy? And we're going to I'll show you my bonus page. Well, let's do the bonus page first, so you see what you're going to grab if you grab it through my link. And also, can you hit the subscribe button right now, and then give it a like and a comment. So let's pop over, and this is going to be the bonus page. So scroll down, and what I'm throwing in here is this is the huge value, guys. This is going to be amazing. You're going to be able to use Snapvertising. If you haven't been using Snapchat, you need to go over there. This is going to be a great place for leads. Just go through this course. It's a $2,000 course. You will learn how to advertise on Snapchat, and you will be able to get a ton of clients there. I'm going to throw in some really good money-making training. It's sort of really mindset on how to go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. I'm going to throw in the Fuego multiplier, which basically takes you to a mindset of making higher commissions. I'm going to give you 38 of my top producing 100% done for you landing pages. There's actually more now because I built more landing pages, so you're going to get even more of them in here. You're going to get my 6-figure blueprint checklist. This is what's helping myself and many of my students really start earning money online and be on that trajectory to 6 figures. So what is 6 figures, guys? It's like $300 a day. That's all you need to be making. Now, it might take you 6 months to get there. It might take you 3 years to get there. I don't know your work ethic, but this checklist is the way to do it. And we're going to give you the lost code. Again, this is about how to get your mindset into selling high ticket stuff. So like if you're going to go sell these mobile apps, guys, you want to charge a premium for it. Like once you see how easy it is to do, but then you want to sell a premium of it, and you really need to get into the mindset of how you're going to do that. You're going to get access to all the vendors' bonuses. You're also going to get local SEO agency pro, and you're going to get the local lead pages plugin pro. So this is my little bonus to you. Okay, let's watch the video. Now there is music, and I'll come back and I'm going to talk about what we saw in the demo as we look over the sales page. Okay, guys. So here we go. Let me bring up this, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. So pretty cool. And if you don't really understand what was happening there, basically what it's doing is the software is automatically taking an entire website and it's turning it into a mobile app, which is basically it's wrapping it into a mobile app, which then the person can download. Now you're going, well, why would you want to download it? It's online. Well, there's some really great reasons why you want to download it. First of all, great time to subscribe right now. First off, you're able to show authority. You're going to show that whatever size your company is, when people see, wow, this company, they have their own app, that's a huge authority, like a green light for people to go, okay, these guys are for real, and they have their own app. So that's just a mental thing. Secondly, you're able to push notifications through the app, which is a great way to communicate to your customers. That you get people to download your app, and it's a great way to communicate to your customers. You might be going, Glenn, I'm a marketer. I don't have any customers. Aha. You just have to share this with a few of the businesses that you go to. Where do you get your hair cut, right? Maybe you go to a butcher. Maybe you've got someone that looks after your pet, someone that does your car, someone that whatever it is, right? The local stores in your neighborhood that you go visit. Like say, hey, have you ever thought of doing a mobile app? I wouldn't go after a big store. Like don't go after a big like a Walmart. They already have their own app. Canadian Tire in Canada, or wherever you guys are in Lowe's or whatever, they already have their app, right? It's a very easy thing to sell. And then, but what you can sell is that like you can actually sell it for a good profit. And it's only going to take you a few minutes to do. Basically, it sets up the shell. Now, if they come back to you and say, hey, we want to actually add some bells and whistles to it, what do? Say, no problem. Give me a moment. Give me some time to put together a quote for you. You go to Upwork, you go to Fiverr, you go to any of those things and say, hey, I need XYZ done. And they're like, great, you hire them, and then you build that out. You just outsource it and it's done. So it's a very, very cool way to make money on the side. Once you get a few people that are making apps that have gotten you to make their mobile app, they're going to talk about it. They're going to refer back to you, right? So that's the other way you want to do it. So let's jump over to the sales page so you guys can see exactly what here it is right here, what you get with it, and then we'll go over the OTOs. So this is the sales page here. So as you saw, one-click software creates profitable mobile apps ready to sell in 60 seconds flat, which you saw. It's no tech skills, no coding, no developers. Now you did have to go in and paste that little bit of code in the index file. You can get anyone to do that for you. Like you probably, if you have nephews or nieces or children that are doing any kind of coding at school, then someone can do that. Or don't be afraid of it. Go make a backup of the index. Do it on the index. It's very simple to do. Do it on your own website first. So basically, guys, the app industry is huge. People want these things, so that's why you want to be definitely getting it. Now you can grab it for $17, but guys, if you scroll off the page, this is where I get the thumbs up. I think it's a $5 savings, so you can pick it up for about 12 bucks. Now, basically, 3 steps. They give you 30 done for you templates, right? So you pick one, you customize it, so you can kind of tweak it if you want to, and then you publish it, right? And that's it, guys. It's super, super simple. This is like a gold rush. Let me go down to the bonuses, what the vendors are throwing in, so you can see what they're going to be giving to you as well, which is they have a great bonus package. So where is here? Bonus number 1, they're going to give you the Infinite Webinar, the world's most powerful AI-based webinar software, so you could actually do a demonstration about making mobile apps and then sell your services. Instant Profit app, a one-click cloud-based little app drives autopilot traffic, which is cool. The affiliate Etsy is the world's first automated affiliate review site. Sorry, affiliate. So it basically builds and earns commissions on complete. This is really cool. First automated affiliate review site. Very, very cool. And Flippa Cash Secrets, a case study. The seller has been on Flippa for 10 months. This is about flipping domains, guys. So if you're into flipping domains, I'm going to put some videos up here, and you'll see there's some really great flipping domain tools. Internet marketing method case study, which goes hand in hand with the bonuses I gave you, and of course the Facebook group. And it comes with a full 365-day money-back guarantee, guys. So here's a point of view. Giving you a tool to earn 1,000 a day in sales for free. It's Swispy. We want to see it. It's not. So yeah. So they're giving you a 365. What you call it? So what are the OTOs? Let's go back over to my page, and we'll go up, and just so you know what the prices are. So the front end is going to be $17 with I think it's $12 with a $5 discount, $2 or $5 discount. The second one is going to be so that's going to be always limited. Front end is always limited, guys. The second one will be $37 for unlimited, so then it completely unlocks it. Those are always the two I recommend getting. And then the done for you setup. So done for you setup for customers, we will do all the things for them. So that's really, really cool. So done for you, those are the three that you want to get. Swispy automation, you can automate all the processes in one click using our highly intelligent AI. If you really want to go to task with this. Swispy Gold membership, get our best money making products with a commercial license. Buyer traffic, steal our buyer traffic. This is what a lot of the companies are doing now, is you're able to put your pixel on their sales page, and then you're able to target that traffic. And agency rights, you get 100% white label rights to use this software, and you can rebrand it yourself, which is really, really cool, and the key benefits. So what I've seen of this, guys, oops, there we go. What I've looked at this, it looks like an amazingly simple tool. Is there going to be some tweaking involved? There always is, guys. It's these things work great on simple stuff. If there's anything complex on the website, you might have a little bit of troubleshooting. Again, guys, but that's, you pad that into your budget. Once you've made a few of them, you're going to start seeing, and you can always like go make, you can go sort of test on sites and see what you can do. Make some sites and test on it. So this is a very, very cool tool. Great bonuses. I highly recommend picking it up for the money it is. Go show your friends and neighbors. Go around to your local businesses. Hey, have you ever thought about getting an app? Explain the benefits of getting an app. Like say, hey, you could really, every time you have a sale, every time you want to get some more customers in, restaurants are great, right? Local restaurants say, hey, put the app, get the app on the phone. You can pump out, like, hey, we're gonna have a sale on wings tonight, or wings and beer night. Come on down with your app and whatever, and you can notify all your customers that way. So it's very, very cool. So do I recommend getting it? Absolutely. Grab Swispy, a link below. Get my bonuses, get the vendor bonuses. And as always, guys, you can always reach out to me if you have any questions on how you're going to use this software. I do recommend it. And this has been Swispy review demo tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.